So I'm back at one of my old spots today, and the river is really low. It's a lot lower than I actually have ever seen it. I think it's going to be a nice, dry, hot summer. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on down the river here. And I found all kinds of stuff, you know, all mixed up down through there. So I'm very hopeful we might find some more stuff today. I've already dug a bunch of big iron, but nothing good yet. But we'll keep moving along here, and hopefully we'll get a video out of this. I'm in the mud here today. I haven't really hunted this section too much because it was pretty disgusting. And, well, it was a lot deeper last time I was here. But if you look down, notice all the bubbles coming up. That's methane from rotting vegetation. You see some here, like leaves and stuff. And that's not a big deal. I mean, it's not going to hurt you. Might be some big snapping turtles down in there, though. They like to lay in the mud. But we'll go ahead and keep moving along here. Just don't light any matches. And we're going to find some good stuff today. I really have a good feeling about this place. We've done well here before, and there's no way I got it all. Alright, let's move along. Well, I have my first good relic of the day. It's a sword basket. This goes to a Civil War sword. This is the part that goes around the hand, so you don't get slashed by, you know, your competitor's sword or saber. Isn't that cool? I should have got this on video because it read in the like 91. It was just a sweet, sweet sound. Unfortunately, though, you'll see that the water is very cloudy, so we can't really do any underwater action. But if I get another sweet signal like this, I'll let you listen to it, and then we'll go down and see what it is. I've actually dug a bunch of cans too, so. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. This was probably destroyed on purpose. See how flat it is? Isn't that cool? Here's another nice little squeak. I'm not far from where I just found that sword basket. Doesn't sound quite as good, but it sounds really good. And it's on a hard bottom with rocks, so it's probably not a can lid. Alright. What we'll do is grab the probe pointer here, old Garrett, and we're going to go under and see what it is. Now again, you're not going to be able to see underwater, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing off, and I'll let you see what it is when I find it. Alright, you guys ready? Let's do it. Well, it's not Civil War era, but it's definitely good metal. That's probably copper or brass. Sounded like a plate, about the right size too. You know, it's a belt buckle. We'll find one today, I'm pretty sure we will. Alright, off we go. Here's a nice little signal up in the Goo bank here. I'm actually really close. I think this is the stump where I made a video last year, and I found a plate right there, you know, a carbine sling buckle rather, right there. And this is really deep. I've been working on it for a while. Like I said, it's really gooey though. I'm having to dig down through this stuff here. And I have my good gloves on. These are cut proof, so I don't have to worry about bottles or anything. You know, the lids on bottles, they sound good too. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of working down slowly with my hands. And I'm hoping that I'm going to feel it eventually. And you know, I'm just getting out a lot of rocks and stuff right now, so I'm down into the gravel, which is a good sign. It's always a good sign. But I'm not feeling anything yet. I don't want to use my pick because I don't want to scratch it up. I can undoubtedly scratch it. Let's just kind of mix this goo up a little. Oh yeah, look at that. That's disgusting. That's what you gotta do though, man. You gotta get right in there with it. I just don't feel anything yet. A lot of rocks. Alright, what we'll do is we'll get the probe pointer out and see if we can narrow it down a little bit. I doubt you'll be able to hear it. Look how thick that is. Ooh. I think it's closer. I see it's right there. Right in the middle. Good size, whatever it is. Guess I just have to pull all this stuff out of here. I mean, it's possible it could be a can. You can't really discriminate out cans when you want to dig plates. I thought that was something there, a little flat rock. I know this probably isn't really exciting for you, but this is part of what we do. Yeah. Rock after rock after rock. Alright. Man, I'm getting tired. Torqued. As they see down south, I'm getting torqued, man. Ah, jeez. Alright. I'm going to turn the camera off for just for a minute. That's really out of focus. And I'll turn it back on once we figure out what it is. So what I ended up doing is sticking my magnet down in there just to make sure it wasn't a big piece of iron. And sometimes flat iron will sound good on the metal detector, especially if it's deep, and it is. I definitely have a big chunk of iron right there. Magnet's kind of sticking to it. I'm not going to be able to pick it up with it, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and dig it out, because, you know, it could be anything. I mean, it could be a musket, could be a sword, could be just a piece of railroad iron or something, who knows. But I'll go ahead and dig it out and then show you what it is when it's out. So I had to dig out in front of this log right here and going down and under to get it. And I just hope it's not a big piece of railroad iron. This could be a telegraph pole right here, or some type of telephone pole or something. So I'm hoping it's not part of that, but I can feel it down there and it feels pretty good so far, but it's really hard to get to. Let's go ahead and work on it together a little bit. There's some big rocks down there that are on top of it, so I'm trying to dig these rocks out of here. There's one giant one, and it's directly beside it. I can feel it, but I can't tell what it is. Hey, alright, let's keep working on it. I've been here for like 20 minutes, and I think we're going to be here a while longer. I'm going to turn the camera off again. Well, I finally got it out. It's some type of big gear. Interesting. There is no way I can carry this thing out of here, though. That thing about wore me out. The fact that it was under all these rocks and logs and stuff had me really excited. I guess I had to get this rock up. In fact, it was underneath this rock too, which was really heavy. It took me a while to get out. So, oh well, I can't take it with me because there's no way I can carry that. I'd love to though. If I ever get my boat down here, my kayak, I'll drag it out. But I'm just gonna go ahead and rebury it shallow. Alright, let's go find something good.